Winegard is out with a new 5G indoor cellular router called the Basestation 5G. What is it about and is it any good? Details after the break. Hi, I'm Andy with Mobile Internet Resource Center, and today we've got a quick update for you from Winegard. Winegard, as you may know, is a huge player in the RV industry. They make all sorts of RV-related equipment and sell it to both the aftermarket and original equipment manufacturers. And some of this includes cellular gear. Now, they've just come out with a new indoor router called the Basestation 5G. This is a pretty standard indoor router that is actually based on the same circuit board and design as what is in the Connect 5G Dome that came out recently. We have a video on that if you want to check that out. So it's basically the same router and modem, but instead of in an exterior dome, it's in an indoor, more standard router enclosure. And so it has all the same specifications and capabilities, except for some reason, at least on the spec sheets published by Winegard, is that the indoor router supports more 5G cellular bands than the Connect 5G does. Not sure why that is, but that is what is listed on the spec sheets. Now, as far as the modem in this router, it is the same X62 modem from Kectel that is in most modern cellular routers these days. It's a very well-known, common, and reliable cellular modem to use. So that is good. And it is very future-proof as far as being able to support all the current and future anticipated cellular bands. So that is a good choice. Unfortunately, the modem is hampered by the older hardware that Winegard has paired this modem with. This is an older design circuit board. It only has Wi-Fi 5, so no Wi-Fi 6. And the spec sheet does say that it has a throughput limit of 300 megabits per second. So even though the 5G cellular modem can get more than 300 megabits per second, that's going to be the cap because of the hardware limitations, the older design and the older internals. This router does have two Ethernet ports, gigabit Ethernet ports, one LAN, one WAN. Additionally, it does have a USB port for some limited cellular tethering, and it does have Wi-Fi as WAN capability, although with the current version of the firmware, it is only for the 2.4 gigahertz frequency. So even though the router for LAN connections supports 2.4 and 5 gigahertz for Wi-Fi 5, for the WAN part, if you're going to connect to, say, campground or marina Wi-Fi with this device, it's currently limited to only using the 2.4 gigahertz frequency for that. Now, the price is pretty steep for a device that is using a commonly used X62 cellular modem and an old internals design, and it is $799. And there are other routers out there that have the same modem and different or much better capabilities that are for less money. So we encourage you to shop around and see if this is the right one for you. Now, this does come with some Winegard specific features, such as support for the RV Halo system of smart sensors that Winegard also sells. So if that's something you're interested in, this might be a good choice. And there also is a Cat 4 LTE only version that is available for much cheaper, but in 5G cellular world, we do not recommend using a modem that is so old and dated as an LTE Cat 4. So that does it for today. We appreciate you listening. Stay connected, and we'll see you next time.
These videos are brought to you by our premium members, our mobile internet aficionados. They make it possible for us to track this news and create these videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, or better yet, consider becoming a member yourself.